Hey everybody, happy Friday, end of the month of September. Beautiful weather here in Southwest Ohio, down at a little park here in Mason. Just more enjoying the afternoon after a few closings today, trying to wrap up a good month. But we're at video number 10, in the renovation loan, personal home. Actually, today is funding day, so money is being sent out, everything being funded, contractors getting paid, and moving forward. So what I thought I would do today, video number 10, is just do a recap of the loan process, start to finish, or just real quick, some steps. So if you're looking in the future to do a renovation loan or a purchase or refinance, anything, you can kind of know the proper steps. So even with me being in the business, same process. Start with the pre-approval application. You can go online, 15, 20 minutes, everything's completed. And that leads to your loan officer, connecting with you for the pre-approval. With a renovation, you're talking numbers, estimations and everything like that. With a purchase or a regular refinance, you're talking some different figures there, and trying to get the pre-approval to go make offers on a purchase, how much money you're going to save on a refinance or cash out, so on and so forth. Once that is put together, you got the documentation stage of income docs, homeowners insurance, so on and so forth, piecing that together to get everything into an initial underwrite. Now, there is some steps that can be skipped depending on, your initial application, as far as paperwork can be digitally validated. We can do all kinds of stuff with that, but that's a whole other video down the road. We'll get into that at sometime. Appraisal being ordered, comes out conditional underwrite. You got maybe, a few conditions from the underwriter, submit those documentation, title work being ordered with the appraisal. Once all that's completed, everything finalized, especially in a renovation, you got to have your work numbers, your work estimate, everything you want to do from your wish list, down to your final of what you're wanting to do, what you're wanting to spend, where your budget's at, working with contractors, or a contractor, whatever, and piecing that together, just kind of, that's the final stage. So everybody, Dustin, Debbie, Jamie, and them that do renovation, best in the Midwest, as I say, as far as renovation products, they tighten that thing up, piece it together through processing, goes to underwriting, and get you clear to close. Everything should take, it really depends. Contractor plays a big part in that. If you're working with a contractor like we did with Integrity Restoration, process moves pretty smoothly because they do this day in and day out. So they know how renovation works and what we need to do. But after everything's calculated, everything's finalized, you got your conditions into everybody. It goes to final underwriting, get your clear to close, sit down, sign at the closing table, and on the refinance like we just did, you wait your 3 days, everything gets funded, then you can go have fun spending your money, picking out colors, picking out flooring, which we've already started like you've seen in the previous videos. So now it's funded. We're excited. The wife is ready to lay everything out, ready to help design the kitchen, bathrooms, everything that we're doing. We're going to do a walkthrough Monday with Integrity Restoration with Brad and Tyler and those guys, kind of finalize some pieces of the puzzle. We'll be going through samples over the weekend for paint, flooring, now is the time. We got to get rocking and rolling to tearing up this house. So that's kind of the recap of where we're at. Video number 10 of the renovation loan, personal home. Got any questions, feel free to reach out to me, 513-594-9218. I will do an update. We'll continue this process. probably shoot a video sometime later on Monday after we do our walkthrough and kind of, talk about that little piece and, show you where we're going to get started. Have a great weekend, especially up here in Southwest Ohio, where it looks like we're going to have some Indian summer days, as they call it, be in the 90s going into the 1st of October, which is crazy. But enjoy it. Spend time with the family. Have a great time. Let me know if you need anything.